Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the third Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on a Tuesday. Tuesday, November the 17th, 2020. Yes. And this third Sudoku is a binary Sudoku. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. Last time the publisher has printed a 9 by 9. Was not so successful because there are not only one solution. My solution was different than the solution of the publisher. This will be a number 1896. Yes, 96. All right. So let's get started with this one. 8 by 8. That means in a row or in a column. There are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then double 1 here and O there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here and 1 there 1. Double 1 here and O there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Then between two ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double 1 here no there no. Double O here 1 there 1. We have now 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1s comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. Then I think we need to compare. 1, 2, 3, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Yes. Then. I need to compare, I think. I need to compare. Let me see. Double O here. No, it's not the same. I need to compare with the rows. 103. 11. 101. It's taking too long. 1, 2, 3. 3 1s. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this can be a 1. This should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Yeah. And then do we have a 100? No. 001. 100. Oh, 10, oh, 10. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, overlooked 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Alright. Overlooked. So double 1 here. Alright. Need a 1. This is not the same. Let me think. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. We have 101. 01. And do not have an 01 here, so I cannot compare with the columns. That's strange. Alright. 010 then. 010. Need to compare it with the rows. 10. Do we have a 10 here? No. This one is almost the same. We have an 0011110011 empty box 00. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And then 10. Do we have a 10 here? 10. No. 1100. Yeah, 1100. Yeah. This one, the first one, and the 5th row. 11110011 empty box 00 empty box. We need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finish in 8 minutes. Alright, tough one. You need to look carefully. Don't overlook some digits. Then you can find the solution. Yes, I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, we have another one. The last one, it will be a tectonic with 4 stars. So see you later. Bye bye for now.